Hello kids! Today is our 5th day of drawing class. Today, we will learn to draw cute drawings from the alphabet side P. From the alphabet I, we will draw an ice cream. Wow, it is looking so yummy and is easy to draw. From the alphabet J, we will draw a jug. Wow, it is so easy to draw. From the alphabet K, we will draw a kite. Wow, it is looking so beautiful and you will enjoy it. From the alphabet L, we will draw a lamp. It is so easy to draw. From the alphabet M, we will draw a mountain. Wow, it is so amazing. From the alphabet N, we will draw a net. Wow, it is so cute. From the alphabet O, we will draw an L. Wow, it is so cute and is easy to draw. From the alphabet P, we will draw a penguin. Wow, it is so easy to draw. In the next video, we will learn to draw drawings from the alphabet Q to Z. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.